Hi, it's Iru. Thank you for watching this video and coming to my channel, of course. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and place your comments in the box below if you have insights and tips, top tips of your own that you'd like to place in there. Do keep it positive because this video is out here in the World Wide Web to help people. So starting off with Forex trading. A lot of people, myself included, we misconstrued Forex to mean foreign currency alone, bureau de change and other things, that when we're traveling, we're changing currency from pounds, for example, to US dollars, but that's not it at all. It's for options, it's for stocks, it's for shares, CFDs, whatever it is that takes your fancy. So today, if you stay on the video, I'm going to give you tips on money management. I'm going to give you tips on psychology and also exciting information on how to join a community of traders with me who are trading for profit. If this all excites you, stay to the end. Don't forget to subscribe and like, comment, share. Thank you. So today on money management, ask yourself, when you're in a good trade, I just want you to take a look inwards now, because this is something I've been doing and I still do. I'd like you to do the same. When you're in a good trade, do you tend to let your trades run and you lock in your profits, or do you cut it short? For money management, the right way to do it is you'd let that trade run. It's in a profit. Why would you cut it short? Just lock in the profits and let it keep going to wherever it gets to, and then take all your money out. That would be good money management. Conversely, if you're in a trade and it's going against you, don't think, oh, it's going to turn, I can feel it any moment. Just cut it. Some trades lose. That's just the way it is. Just come out. It looked good when you entered. Unfortunately, it's not good anymore. Come out of it. That would be money management tip number one. Also, when you are trading, do you trade what you can afford to trade? You have to keep this as one of your number one rules. Don't trade all your bank, i.e. you have £1,000 or $1,000. You're not meant to put all of your money in that trade. You're meant to put a percentage, and a small percentage at that, so that God forbid it goes against you, and sometimes it will. You're able to trade another day. You don't want to be in a trade where once it goes against you, it's gone. Yes, it could go in your favor, but that's not a gamble you want to take, and we'll come on to gambles a little bit later. Now, going on to trade psychology, I'd like you to ask yourself, what kind of trader are you? Are you the one that looks for a good gamble? You like the lottery, those type of things? You like tip trading? Is that you? This will determine how you trade and how successful you are in your trade, hence the need for understanding what kind of trader you are. On the other hand, are you one who is an opportunist? You see that there's a good opportunity. You say you're browsing the markets for the day. You're just taking time to look at it in the morning or at the end of trade of a day, and you think, oh, that looks like a good trade. I'm going to monitor it, and if it hits a certain point, if it gets to a level I'm thinking, I'm going to enter it. That would be a trader that looks for opportunities in the market and go for it. Are you impulsive? Kind of like a gambler. You weren't going to trade that day, but someone tells you there's a tip and you just rush in there to your platform and you just enter trade. You've not checked the charts or anything like that. You just went right in yourself. Talking about checking the charts and stuff like that, there is a way you could trade if you're a part of a community where you don't necessarily have to check the charts, but that wouldn't be impulsive trading. That would be following a kind of system, a software that has the algorithms, and you've got the money manager and everything to help you out. That's different. Now, are you also one that is disciplined? Or maybe you're not impulsive, but you're disciplined instead. You have your strict rules for trading, i.e. you look at charts, you have money management, you think, I have £10,000 or dollars and I'm going to trade 1% only. I don't care who is trading what. If I see one or two good trades that will encompass my small budget of 1%, then I'm going to enter it. Is that you disciplined? I've followed my strategy, my rules, I've not gone outside of them, I enter the trade. That could be you. Then those kind of traders, they do make money consistently. Even when the trades go against them, it's not something that always happens because they're disciplined, they have a structure, they follow a plan, they don't deviate from it. Now, that would be trading psychology. I'd like to just quickly touch on the community thing. But before I do that, I'd like to ask you a question. What is your purpose for trading? When I came into trading, I came in because I saw it as a way to make extra income. And not only make an extra income, but make a lot of money. And also as an investment, because I know about the quadrant, the rich man poor dad quadrant that Robert Kiyosaki talks about. I wanted to be on the, I think it was the right side or left side, well, the side where there's the business owner, then there's the investor. I wanted that, and I see trading as that, because I don't have to. Once I've got into a good trade, I've set all my stop losses, trailing loss. I've taken my profit. I've kind of managed my risk. I can go away. I don't have to follow it. I can sleep. I can do my stuff and then come back and find that I'm in profit. I wanted that. I wanted investment. I didn't just want to be working at a job. I wanted investment as well, so that I can take from that and also put it towards other things that interest me, like property in the States. It's real estate. It's real estate. We know it worldwide as real estate, but in the UK we call it property investment, be it commercial or residential. This is why I entered, because I'm a mum, I'm a wife. I want to leave an inheritance to my children's children. So it's very important. Why are you trading? Why have you come into trading? So the question is, what is your purpose for trading? Is it to invest in a financial portfolio? Is it to spread out across sectors like, as I've mentioned before, real estate? You've got a project in real estate where you can invest your money for growth, and that's very important. Or are you just trading so that you can have an income? You want to have a secondary income, so just in case your job fails or your self-employment fails, you've got some money coming in. Is this you? So these are questions you need to ponder and ask yourself. They're very important questions, by the way. So if you like these tips I've shared with you, hopefully you do like these tips, put it in the comment box below. Let me know what else you'd like to know, what other tips you'd like me to share, what tips you have of your own. Put it in the box. Again, in case you came in the middle of this video, Forex trading is not just about currency trading, it's about the whole foreign exchange market. It's not just for the currency. I like to emphasize that, because I felt like that, and a lot of people probably still think Forex trading is just currencies. If you're not interested in currencies, there's options, there's stocks, there's shares, there's ETFs, whatever takes your fancy. Just find what you like and stick with it. That would be discipline. That would be part of your money management. You know what you like, you go for it. You're not impulsive or looking for tips from people who probably don't know what they're talking about. You just follow the news. Oh, CNN said that, and you just rush and go and trade. That's not the kind of trading I'm advocating here at all. So what I've shared with you today, if it interests you, you need to get a copy of my book, Forex Trading Made Easy. I go in depth into my experience, how I started all this. I am very open with my ups, my downs, my successes, my failures. Get yourself a copy of the book. And another reason you want to get a copy of the book is those people who get a copy of the book, they'll be invited first to come join the community. And when I say first, they're probably only going to be the only ones invited. If you don't get a copy of my book, there has to be a really good reason why you'll be allowed into this community, to be fair. So the reason for that is we want to see people who have taken the initiative. People who are not just looking for freebies or looking for handout. People who are serious, and people who are into investing. They understand that you pay to receive a benefit. You don't just wait there looking for free. There is a certain level of free information which I'm happy to give to you, because you probably don't know me. You've seen it through a few posts I've shared here and there, and I could be copying from anyone. But when you get a copy of my book, you understand who I am, what I've done, my experience, and why you should listen to me, why you should trust me. So that's another reason. But only if what I've shared here interests you. I keep looking over here because when I had this thought, I thought I'll just put down some points. I ended up writing an article, so I'll put all the link to this article under the video as well, so that anything you've missed, anything I've missed, you can go to the article and check it out. Hope that's good. And don't forget to leave your comment on my blog page as well, that you like the article, the tips were helpful, they were insightful, you have some tips of your own, leave a comment there. So about the community will be of like-minded traders, people who are in it for the long term, for investment, for growth, capital gains. You're looking for that, this interests you, you want to spread out your portfolio, you want to invest like me into property, into other areas, options, or medium term type investments, then you want to come join this community. Why do you want to come and join this community? Because it's not just me, it's a host of others who will be following a proven system with a proven mentor who has been in the trading arena for years. And not only has he been in the trading arena for years, not only has he been, I meant to say, but the thing is, he has developed a system for trading. And because I am part of his private members club, I can invite a few people myself to come on board. He's not taking on any new students at the moment, so you can't say, oh, give me the link and I'll go join him. You'd have to come through me. This is why I'm giving you an opportunity. Now he's got a software and it's been programmed, it's been tested over the years, and it follows closely the SP, and it's actually beaten it by up to 5% or more in the last 5 years or so. And it's phenomenal. So we'll be following that. It won't be just me saying, oh, I see the charts, and so I can tell you I see the charts, but if the software doesn't back up my analysis, we're not going to go with what I'm saying. We're going to go with the software, because AI and all that. Anyway, I'm going ahead of myself. That'll be another video. If that at all interests you, you need to look out for that video. Put in the comment box below that yes, you're excited, you want to be part of it. But do get a copy of Forex Trading Made Easy. Learn about trading psychology. I delve a lot more into that, and money management. Take care. Thank you for listening today. God bless you. Bye.